Hi, first grade. I hope you planted something really fun last week during your science lesson. When you finish listening to the story, I'd like you to respond in your own video and tell the two first grades what it was that you planted. We'd like to know what you're hoping to grow, and then we'll be able to keep track. Maybe you can show us what you planted, and maybe in another week, show us if it's grown and show us a comparison. So that would be really fun to see what it was, how it started, and how it's progressing along. This is called We Planted a Tree. It's by Diane Muldrow, illustrated by Bob Stake. It's kind of written in a poem form, a book that's kind of like a poem. We planted a tree. We planted a tree. We planted a tree, and it grew up. We planted a tree, and it grew up. While it reached for the sky and the sunshine went into the leaves and brought food to the tree, and the tree grew up. Fat little buds appeared on the branches. The sunshine went into the buds, and soon they burst open. Everywhere it was pink, and we were dizzy with springtime. The sun kept shining. The pink blossoms dropped off, but soon there were green leaves, green, shiny leaves, which had food inside for the tree. Green, shiny leaves, which cooled us, which kept the earth cool. We planted a tree, and it grew up and gave us a shady place. The tree's leaves helped clean the air, and we breathed better. The tree fed us apples and oranges and lemons. And sap for our syrup. We planted a tree, and it grew up. The tree kept the soil from blowing away. Now rainwater could stay in the earth. The soil became healthier because the tree was there. So we planted. We planted butternut squash and beans, corn and onions and cabbage in the healthy soil, the rich, dark dirt. We could grow our own food, and we ate better. And we planted a tree, and it grew up, and it dropped acorns that fed the squirrels in winter. And birds came, and other animals came too, to live with the tree. We planted a tree, and that one tree made the world better. We planted a tree, and that one tree helped heal the earth. We planted a tree, and it grew up. And so did we. Did you hear a lot of repeating lines in that story? Poems do that. Books do that too, but poems do that as well. I like that that had a nice message. There were a lot of nice messages in that story. If you want to also tell, besides what you planted, what you thought that nice message was that the author was trying to tell one nice message, you could also tell that in your response video. I'd love to hear what you thought of the book. Have a great day.